Okay, guys, Super Tech on deck, day two. Back on the yard. Today is Monday morning. Excuse me. The other day was Saturday when I did my first um job up here. So now it's Monday, and doing a few things on something on some trucks and shit. So I'm on the yard. I had a matter of fact, it was a call this morning I didn't make. It was a doggone road service call, which those are big bucks. And they go to show you guys you got to you got to try to seize every opportunity. And I missed out, but it's a learning lesson for me, you know. So I hate to learn like that, losing money, especially when I need it. But it's shown me potential, you know. So yeah, so we up here now. So I missed that call. It was an air leak. Dude was down, and that road caused a big money, and it was close by my house. So I should have caught that. So that's a lesson for me and for you guys out there. So, you know, like I said, don't miss any opportunities if you can. I was really moving, I was behind schedule, moving slow and fucking up. So yeah, but yeah, now we up here, and he said some guys around here is gonna supposed to check out a couple of trucks and do some inspections and make about $100 just looking at the trucks there. So y'all hold tight. We're looking for the trucks. We're looking for the guy. Now I don't know where he's at. He said he's on the backside somewhere. He just sent me back here. So I'm looking. I don't know what I'm looking for. Who I'm looking for. I'm just supposed to be randomly looking for a nigga. So I'll let y'all know when I find this guy. Turn the high beam. Turn high beam. Okay. Checking the lights, the blinker lights. Right side works, guys. Oh, nice little LED. All right. Turn the wheel to the left. Press the brakes and hold it. Release. Turn the wheel. Release. I'm looking for exhaust leaks. And set. Alright. So I'll get back with you guys. We just got through inspecting this truck. Whoa! Y'all see what's going on? Real motion, y'all. Real motion, Lanny. We doing this shit every day. Easy money. It's a little wet out here, but it's nice. It's cool. The boy got the boots on. Shit. We eating. We gonna eat every day. I ain't even doing no work on no motherfucker. I sold a job. He got a leaky valve right here. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Make money, make more money, I think. Make money, I expected it. They're repairing it. Set the brakes. So, you know how I go. Oh shit, I'm tripping. Yeah. We ain't playing. So So that's it for that. We're gonna come back to that one to do the repairs and get them in the ordinance. So I think I'm about to inspect something over here. So I'll keep you guys updated the whole time. Got another to inspect. Check this big boy out right here. Get my wheel chocks. Another inspection. Look how beautiful it is out here, guys. You would think that rain is a bad thing, man. Rain is what makes shit grow. And the airtight is growing right now by the day. And this is just one connect that I got in the truck world. He's been keeping me busy for the last 2 days. Saturday, I was off Sunday. Took off Sunday and Monday. First thing in the morning, he called. I had 2 calls. One of them I missed. So, gonna put the wheel chocks on here. We ain't gonna stress that loss though, y'all. We ain't gonna stress it. We gonna put the damn wheel chocks under the tires. So it can't go backwards. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got to the real shit yet, like doing them tire calls at night and tire calls.
This car need oil.
Okay. Ooh, yeah, really. People ass, don't it? These niggas, man. They don't be taking care of these trucks. And they have very little knowledge, so. About what they got the manpower, they got the driver's skill. So I'm finna check this one out, do a quick inspection on it. I'll let you guys drop in here and there. So we might make about $100 just doing that, looking at these trucks. So hold still.
Well, with the oil, then we're gonna crank it.
Okay. So y'all stay tuned for an update. Fuck with these trucks out here, y'all. This shit is live. We live. I am upertech on deck. Ready to go. Alright, start it up. We're gonna look at the other side. Press the brake and hold it. Release. Brake chamber leaking. Brake chamber leaking. This one. Yes. Wait. Look at that. Just sold the job. So I'd inspected the truck, which I'm getting paid for. Now I found the leaky brake chamber, which is super easy on this truck, steer axle. And yeah, so now that's another sale I made on the job. So I'm literally gonna make, oh, look at me, I ain't been working hard. I'm literally gonna make, I just got here about 10:30. I'm literally gonna make almost probably twice as much as I make working all day. And I ain't doing shit. I just check the truck out, the lights, the brakes, the this, the air leaks, the seat belt, the this and that, and there's fire extinguisher. And I found the air leak, and we're gonna rectify this air leak right now. The owner came up to me and was like, hey, can you fix it? And this is how this usually goes, especially with the trucks. I love this shit, man. I mean, you don't even have to sell shit, man. Like, you focus in on your craft, man. Do what you gotta do. Sell the work, man. I don't even sell the work. I just let them know what's going on. Hey, they fix it, they don't. That's their truck. But say you can fix it. I got my shit. Yeah, that's why I got my truck. Got sheet hook over here. Dropping the truck now. Pulling it out. We're gonna double check the back. We want to check the back to see if it's all leaking. I think you're gonna need that air hose too. So yeah, I hold tight. Quick update. It's the new brake chamber. Let me see what side it is. See what side it is. Do the front part. Yeah, go get a smaller one. It's the old chambers off the truck. Took this off. What side it is?
15.
It's probably gonna be like a 13. Or just get adjustable wrench. Now we're gonna I took the hose out of here. It's the hose. The shit was rusted as hell. The new chamber. Gonna go back on in a cinch. Oh, you got the big one. Why don't you get the little one? And y'all see the brake chamber is out of there. I Am Supertech has removed it with all my accessories up here. We got AJ right here. And y'all hold up. Hit the brakes to hold it. Very good. Short. I'm gonna adjust the other side, okay? So it can be the same. Yeah, I'll adjust all of them for you. Start it up, run it back up, turn it to the right for me. Just finished the brake chamber. Gonna adjust the other side of the wheel. So I'm gonna adjust all the brakes all the way around. So now that's a brake adjustment. So now that's a new airline. Brake adjustment and brake chamber. You got it to the right? All right. So I'm gonna adjust the brakes on this side, so y'all hold up. Okay, guys, I just put a brake chamber on this truck. Now we found another brake chamber leak. Okay? So we just did those hoses. A brake chamber. Let me show you. Hold tight. So I just did this one. This brake chamber. She working good, everything good. Boom. So I told him he need power steering fluid, he low. Gonna top that off. Boom. I inspected the truck, get paid for that, boom. And when I inspected the truck, I seen a default in the hoses. So we changed the hoses, boom. Now we detect another leak in the back, and chasing these leaks down can take forever. But now I'm gonna take away this brake chamber right here. That's more money. So I'm gonna make maybe 2 days pay at the old job today, and that's not even, it's less than 1 o'clock, and I got here like 10:30, 11 stuff. I started about 11 o'clock. Yeah, it was after 11, yeah. It's after 11, it ain't but maybe 2 hours. I done made about 200-300. So yeah, y'all keep shining, man. Y'all keep pushing, man. Y'all take it from goddamn I Am Supertech, man. You can do it. You can do it. Come on now. Y'all see what I got going on? Got hoses, got chambers, got tools, you got equipment, you got, man, accessories. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Hold tight for up. Wow, it just jumped out so fast. 2 brake chambers. You good? No problem. At work? Okay, good. Good. Gotcha. So yeah, guys, it just jumped off out here. I'm gonna show you in a minute. But yeah, it's going down out this motherfucker. Africans everywhere, they eat. Hold tight for update. Yeah, see right here we did this brake chamber. This is a brake chamber leaking. It's a brake chamber in the front. I Am Supertech on deck. They got tools everywhere.
You wanna get in there?
Okay, cool, I got you. Let me move my truck. They're fast paced right now. Everybody out here, hold tight. But yeah, so you got folk out here doing shit. I just fixed the radiator hose over there too on that truck. So I've been here around about, I think I had 11, started around about 11. So we say 4-hour labor. 4 hours. 4 hours I made about $300. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I gotta move the truck. I need to wash this damn truck. Now they want me to move and shit again. You damn African boy. You gotta have patience with these niggas. You gotta have patience. But like I told y'all guys, I came up here, I got here late, and I missed a roll call this morning. So just imagine if I would have caught the roll call, and roll call, I would have been up to about 500-600 right there by 2 o'clock today. You know, easy, man. I'm telling you, I ain't playing. I ain't got no. Ooh. Hey, man, I Am Supertech on deck. Y'all hold tight.